Is the Reject Shop closing? I bloody hope not. It is literally one of my favorite stores. You guys already know that. Yeah, I heard they're getting bought out by Dollarama or something. Who knows? They probably needed the name change, to be honest. But yeah, I've just got a little mini haul here, so I thought I'd show you what I picked up. Okay, first up, I have some bin stickers for my bloody wheelie bins. These are by the brand Bin Bright. Say that 5 times fast. These are like their jumbo size citronella scented stickers. And look, I'm not claiming that they're a miracle cure, but they definitely do make a difference in your wheelie bins. I probably need to wash mine out a little bit more, to be honest, but I stick these in all 3 of my bins and it just makes them smell a lot nicer. And I mean, there's nothing stopping you from putting them in like your kitchen bin either if you really want an extra strength, nice smelling bin. No surprises here. One of my favorite Reject Shop purchases. This is by White King. It's their fabric stain lift remover. This is my absolute go-to for stained makeup, collars, fake tan, all of that sort of fun stuff. It just does a really good job and doesn't bleach your clothes, so we love that. And everyone in the comments telling me to spray hairspray on my collars. Girl, do you think I need hairspray? But I appreciate the tip. Thank you. They actually had stock of my favorite car freshener. This is by the brand Little Trees. It's their black ice fragrance. In my opinion, it's the best from them. Whenever I buy these, I always buy a couple and I'm always having to like sort through the rack because I reckon everyone else is on this fragrance too. It's literally so nice. Yes, had to go hunting for those, but glad I found them. Yes, I know I'm evil. I picked up some paper towels. Sometimes you just need a roll of paper towel. I'm sorry, guys. And as if we needed any more evidence that I'm officially turning into a grandpa, I also grabbed some Pears transparent soap. What can I say? It's been around for a million years. Sometimes I just like to use a bar of soap in the shower. And I really enjoy the smell and it's nostalgic and yeah, I don't know. They've got a few flavors, but this has always been my favorite one. So yes, and I know people are going to hate that. I say flavors when I mean scents. I'm sorry. But I also have another product by Bin Bright. I can already hear people going, oh my God, why would you buy that? But these are so helpful. They're called bin grippers and it's basically like a really large elastic band that you can put on your bins to help keep the liner like staying properly. I have seriously always had to like either tie my bag like in a knot on the side of the bin or just like defy physics to try and keep like my bin bags to like stay in place properly. But oh my God, using these, they are absolutely genius. They just keep everything in place. So once you start filling it, they're not going to be like weighed down and then like falling into the bin itself. I use them at work as well. They are so handy, and because they are like an oversized elastic band, you don't have to worry about them snapping or anything like that. I haven't noticed them stretching out too much either, but then at least they're kind of like multi-use once they do stretch out. Say if you've got like something really heavy or thick that you need to like rubber band together. This is now my 3rd pack of them because I actually find them really, really helpful. Okay, and it's very random haul, sorry about that, but these are just some metal like picture hooks. Another repeat purchase that I've talked about a million times before is the pink get out foam. With this stuff, you just stick it over your drain, you push down and it's a foam that shoots through the pipe and it helps to clear out some gunk. Again, it's not a miracle cure, but I do like to keep on top of just keeping all my pipes clean. You can watch videos on YouTube and stuff about this. There's some on TikTok as well. You can kind of see how it works. It's definitely not for serious blockages. I don't even think they claim to fix that, but it does come in handy if you're noticing that water's starting to build up a little bit in your pipes, all right? And then my lucky last purchases. Did I mention that this is my favorite? I nearly said flavor, but fragrance. I've never seen these before. So these are by Little Trees again in black ice. They're called vent wraps, and like looking at the picture on the back there, it looks like they just slot right onto the vent itself. I really just want to try these, see how we go, see how strong they are. Just in case they're good, I bought a backup as well. So there we go. For 11 products, that was $6 to $150, which I think is actually really good. There wasn't really necessities in here, but I do prefer to get my cleaning products from the Reject Shop because I do find them really affordable and competitive. And I know a lot of you are feeling the same right now. So let me know what you picked up from the Reject Shop recently, and fingers crossed the buyer is a good thing. And I guess if they do turn into Dollaramas, then maybe we'll get even more products. Not that I need any more convincing to go shopping, but you know, gotta enjoy life sometimes, right? Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!